Welcome to the Sampson Model Home Tour. We are inside the Sampson Model Home, which is a 3-story townhome in the Brix community at the Packing District near downtown Orlando. We're right outside of College Park. This is one of the interior units floor plans for this townhome community, and this is the smallest one. The configuration is 1449 square feet. That's spread across 3 floors, does not include the rooftop deck that you could have on as an addition. And it's a 2-bedroom, 3.5 bath layout with a flex room. So downstairs on the first floor, you don't actually get a full bedroom. You get this flex space and a powder room on this floor. And then upstairs is the main living area. So let's take a look. So these are the newest townhomes in the downtown Orlando area, and they're luxury townhomes. So what features make it a luxury townhomes? Well, first, it's the railings are included instead of half walls on the staircases between the levels. You have the engineered hardwood as shown in this model, or they do LPV, luxury plank vinyl. The second floor is all your living space. So it's pretty open. You still get a lot of light with the windows just being on the side. But you have your living area up here, and these high ceilings really help make the 1449 square feet feel much larger than that. Open kitchen, gas community as well. So you'll have a gas range, a gas instant hot water heater, and then back on this side at the other end of the townhome, you got this cute little sitting area and obviously a half bath on this floor for your guests. Let's go up to the 3rd floor and check out the sleeping area for the primary bedrooms. At the top of the stairs to the left, you have the primary suite, which we just entered, with dual closets, very spacious. It's on the back of the property. So you got a bunch of windows, and you also have a very spacious master bath with dual sinks. And the nice thing is, in most townhomes, when you get to the 2nd or 3rd or higher floors, the ceiling height lowers. This builder maintained the high ceilings on every floor, so you really get that ample space. Backing up down here through this hallway, we have your laundry facilities in this hall closet and your secondary bedroom with an ensuite closet and bath as well, and lots of natural light even still. Let's go check out the rooftop deck. Townhome living doesn't always come with green space, but with this floor plan and the rooftop upgrade, you can create your own green space. And this is pretty ample for a downtown Orlando living lifestyle. The cool part about this is you do have the ability to add a summer kitchen. So there are gas, water, and electrical hookups that are ran up to the roof when you do have this rooftop upgrade. And it's plenty of space, so you can do even more with it, like putting a jacuzzi if you really want to get something special. So a couple things you should know about the Brix, the community that we're in, is they're in their closeout phase. They are, at the time of filming this video, they have about 40 sites left, some that you can design from the ground up, but not many. Most of them have been spec'd out. So it's just a matter of finding the right one that fits your needs if you decide this is a community you want to explore. And the other thing is, like, just thinking about the Packing District. Packing District is really expanding as a wonderful area and a redevelopment area. The redevelopment of the Packing District is really taking a lot of these industrial warehouse buildings, tearing them down and building new construction areas. So you have this community along with a brand new YMCA, the Orlando Tennis Club is here as well. There's Foxtail, Publix, great area shopping district, and a really cool food hall. Just opened up in the last year or two. With everything kind of like close by, you can really have a close-knit community, and the walking trails and biking trails gets you easy access into College Park and easy commute into Orlando if you work in the downtown area. So if you'd like to learn any more information about the Brix, the Packing District, or any new construction community in Central Florida, don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Ben Laube, or anyone on our Ben Laube Homes team, and we'd be happy to talk to you about your new construction options and figure out what the right plan is for you.